Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies from a box mix. First, gather your ingredients. A box of brownie mix, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup of water. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, lightly grease an 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan. This simple preparation ensures your brownies bake perfectly and release easily. Now let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, combine the brownie mix, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir these ingredients together with a spoon for about 50 strokes or until they are just blended. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough brownies. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Next, it's time to bake. Pour the brownie batter evenly into your greased 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for 28 to 31 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted near the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove the pan and let the brownies cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial for perfect slices. Finally, the best part. Once your brownies are completely cool, use a sharp knife to cut them into perfect squares. This ensures clean edges and a satisfying presentation. Serve these delicious, fudgy brownies as a delightful treat for yourself, family, or friends. They're perfect with a glass of milk or a scoop of ice cream. Remember to check the description below for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other fantastic deals we've found for you. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.